Alright, Susie here. Here is my potato bed. And just, that's about our last plant left. It's yellow, it's dying. So we dug down and we got some baby potatoes. They were all the way down at the bottom. I've only dug up this much. But I'm going to totally take this whole bed out. I got a little bucket here to put all my dirt in. And I got my little helper Summer here. And we'll be getting some potatoes for dinner. Thanks for watching. Alright, we got it all dug out. And this is our harvest. Just one in her hand. Plus we found two of the seeds we originally planted. So we're going to save those, and we're going to replant those when the weather cools down a bit. We'll probably take them in, put them someplace cool. As for the little potatoes, we're going to boil those up and have them with dinner. Thanks for watching.
Bye.